Now we'll see symmetry. So here we are having symmetry is defined as balanced and proportionate similarity that is found in two halves of the object. It means one half is mirror image of the other. Okay, so here you see the figures. Here we are having a letter A. Okay, so here we are taking exactly middle from here. So here what happens, if we keep a mirror here, then it's look like A. Okay, so here what happens, exactly the same here. Okay, and next here also you can see a dumbbell there here. A dumbbell is there here. So here what happens, if you keep a mirror here, then it looks like this. It looks same as this. Okay, and next if you keep mirror here, then it also looks exactly as it is. Okay, so here you can see, here we are having a square. So if we keep the mirror, if we keep mirror here, you can see the figure like this. If you keep the mirror here, you can also see the same figure. And if you keep the mirror here, you can also see the same figure. And if you keep the mirror here, then you can see the same figure here. Now we shall see the types of symmetries. So here we are having two types of the symmetries. One is point symmetry and another one is line symmetry. Okay, so here we are having the first one, so that is line symmetry. So here what happens, the line of symmetry can be defined as the axis or imaginary line that passes through the center of the shape, the object, and divides it into identical halves. So here what happens, here you can take, so here we are having a figure. So for that, the line symmetry is taken from here to here. So here what happens, a line is passing through this way, then here what happens, this is look like the same as the figure before there. Okay, so here what happens, this is a line symmetry for this. So here what happens, so this is the image of this figure. Okay, so these two figures are image to each other when we are keeping a line in between these two. Okay, now we'll see point symmetry. So here we are having point symmetry is when every part has matching part the same distance from the central point but the opposite direction. But it is in opposite direction. Okay, so here what happens, point symmetry. So let's take an example. Here we are taking the diagonals of the rectangle here. So here these 2 points are meeting at this point P. Okay, in rectangle we know that this side is equals to this side and this side is equals to this side. So these two sides are equal in length, right? So here what happens, from here this point 2. So here what happens, so the length of AP is equals to the length of PC and the length of DP is also equals to the length of BP. So here what happens, from this point, these points are having the same length. Okay, so here what happens, same distance from the central point. So here we are having the central point is P. So the distance of AP is equals to the distance of PC and the distance of PD is also equals to the distance of PB. Okay, so we can say this is a line symmetry. Or you can also take circle. So here we are taking a circle. This is our center point of the circle. So here what happens, so from this point to this point, here we are having the point Q and here we are having point P and here we are having O. So here what happens, OP is equals to OQ or OP is equals to OF. So here what happens, the distance from the center is same here. Okay, so we can say this is a point symmetry.